Hey there! Welcome back to another cool video on Techniverse Spotted. In this video, we are going to see the unboxing and installation of the Maono AU-A04 USB condenser microphone and whether it is still the best budget consideration in 2022. Anyways, if we are done wasting time, let's just keep all the things aside and let the tech begin. First of all, I truly appreciate that we get not just the mic, but the complete podcasting microphone kit for just around 3000 Indian rupees. There are some other kits with the same mic included with much lower prices, but this kit is the most preferred one amongst all. The MRP mentioned on the package is 5999 Indian rupees. I bought this microphone for around 2700 rupees 2 years ago, and yeah, I'm lazy enough to edit this footage now. It is a condenser microphone with a cardioid polar pattern. In simple words, the recording pattern of the cardioid mics is kind of in the heart shape. It comes with a 16mm mic capsule that provides some neat sound quality. It is compatible with Windows and Mac. In Windows, there is no need to install any software or driver. We can directly plug in the USB cable and it's all ready. This mic supports a sampling rate up to 192 kHz 24-bit, which is pretty decent in this price range. Let's see what we get in the kit. On the very top, we get a thank you card. Then we have a user manual on how to install the mic and all. Next, we get a foam windscreen and a pop filter. The quality seems pretty standard. One of the sides of the pop filter has this Maono logo printed. Now let's head to the second and main section of the kit. Next we get a metal shock mount, which again is very sturdy. Next we have a 2.5 meters long male USB-A to male USB-B cable. We get to see a velcro strap for managing your mic cables. Then we have a 2-axis metal boom arm. The quality of this scissor arm stand is impressive and the spring adjustment is very sturdy. Then we get a strong metal desk mounting clamp to hold the boom arm. And finally, after all the digging, we have our microphone. The mic looks very good and sleek. Even the microphone grill is made of metal. So basically the kit comes with a full metal casing. The quality of this kit overall is extremely good for the price. It doesn't feel flimsy or cheap at all. We get a Maono logo on the front side of the mic from where we have to record the audio. Now put on the foam windscreen and fix the mic in the shock mount. The installation of kit is very simple. You first have to connect one end of the boom arm with the shock mount and place the other end in the desk mounting clamp. The ideal way is to fix the desk mounting clamp on your desk and place the boom arm on it. You can attach the pop filter to the boom arm for easy flexibility. The arm is very much flexible and you can adjust the mic as needed. Once done, connect the mic to your PC with the provided USB cable. Here USB-A end goes into the mic and the USB-B goes to your PC. I will be making another video with a full review, audio test and the best settings to record the audio with this mic in a couple of days. I will link it in the description and the cards on the top right corner once it is out. And that was it guys for this video. Like this video if you enjoyed it, comment down the video suggestions that you want to see next on our channel, and lastly, subscribe to Techniverse Spotted for more cool stuff.